Okay, there we go. All right, question number 4. The floors in the family room and entry need to be professionally cleaned. Usually those are the high traffic areas in a house. So because the entry is right there by that front door, and then the family room is usually where everyone kind of meets together. If you have guests over or anything, everyone kind of sits in the family room with your couches, and usually that's where the big TV is. So anyway, the cost of the cleaning company is going to charge us 52 cents per square foot. So we need to calculate the cost of the rooms in order to then find out the price per the cleaning. Okay, so you can kind of see how it's highlighted, how those small geometric figures are going to play, because it wasn't highlighted very good, so I apologize for that. But we already know how we're going to do it, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to outline this geometric shape first, and it's a rectangle. Write the word rectangle down, and we know our formula is area equals length times width. So we have 15 up top, but where's our other one? We can't use that 10 and 5 because that's not really the side of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull all the way from this wall, because we can see from right here and right here that this length, 16 feet, is going to be the same as this length here, because this, when we did the dining and kitchen area, remember it's a rectangle as well. So we're going to pull that and make that the length that's right there. So now when I write my equation, area equals 15 feet times 16 feet. And that's going to give us 240 feet squared. Now my entry, which I'm going to put in blue, is a rectangle as well. Area equals length times width. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my equation. Area equals 3 feet times 7 feet. Here's your 3, here's your 7. And then that's going to give me area equals 21 feet squared. Now, in order to get the total area of the room, whoops, sorry that popped up, so we'll wait for that to go away. We need to add the red triangle and the blue triangle together to get our total area of the room. Then we take that total, or that answer, and we multiply it by 52 cents, or 0.52. And that's going to give us the total cost of cleaning. I am not going to write either one of those down because I know you guys are smart enough to be able to come up with that. You're going to enter that in. You're going to make sure everything's labeled. Your total cost has a $sign. Your total area has your feet squared. And I know you're going to put that in together before you move on to the next one.